What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be a good one, I think. And we're gonna be driving to Williamsport, which is roughly 50 minutes to an hour, depending on traffic. We're gonna be picking up a big package for the Ram. And with that being said, these wheels and tires, which probably only have like 6,000 miles on them, something like that. They don't have much time on them. They haven't even been on here a year. This setup here is a 20 by 12 and they are very dirty at the moment. But these are a 20 by 12 with a 33, 12 and a half tire on there. So they have their negative 44 offset. So they got quite a bit of poke. We're gonna be updating the wheel and tire setup today with a 22 by 12 negative 44. Also gonna stick with a 33-inch tire. I originally looked at 22s when I bought this setup the first time, and I didn't like them. I didn't like 22s. I think it looked kind of weird. Didn't look like enough tire. Well, now my mind has kind of went the opposite direction, and now it looks like it's just a perfect match. When I look at this, it doesn't look horrible. Still looks good, but at the same time, it just looks like a little bit too much tire. Friend of mine who has a Duramax has 22 by 12s, and I seen it in person the other day. Looks absolutely amazing, and I'm really excited to get 22s. So we're gonna get in the probably a van, and we're gonna drive to Williamsport, pick these bad boys up. Another thing on the truck, you probably see that the grill and the bumpers are still off. We're yesterday, as of yesterday, which would have been the 20th of August. It makes 8 weeks. 8 weeks that we've been out of bumpers, and yeah, it's very frustrating. They're not even getting powder coated anymore. The guy had powder coating them, just doesn't want to mess with them anymore. They kept coming out screwed up, and I guess the oils are pulling out of the metal when they're being heated up. Whatever the case may be, I don't know. But so they're at a body shop now getting painted instead, so hopefully they turn out looking good. We're gonna get on the road because that's a sore subject for me to talk about right now, because the truck hasn't been drove in like 8 weeks, obviously. So we're gonna get on the road and we're gonna go pick these wheels and tires up and get them mounted on the truck.
Road, then turn right.
We are officially on our way back home with the wheels, and I would have liked to get some filming of them bringing them out,
at
but
the light, turn right onto South Reach Road.
You know what? Shut up! Anyway, everything's just so kind of rushy at these, at FedEx and UPS and all that kind of stuff, so we didn't get any footage of that, but we're gonna be on our way home, and we got an hour. So we get home about 6 o'clock, and then we're gonna tear into these. We're gonna rip the old ones off, throw these new bad boys on, and you guys are gonna be able to see them. So let's go. We're back. There they are. Still wrapped up. Hopefully they are still in perfect condition. Hopefully they were in perfect condition before. So we gotta go get the little rug rat of a dog out first, and then we're gonna pull the truck over. Hopefully it starts, because I think I don't know, beginning of this week, it didn't want to start for me again. So I'm not sure what is going on there, but maybe it's just because it sat for, I don't know, 2 months. So yeah, we're gonna move it over here, get it jacked up, and at that point, we're gonna do one wheel at a time. This would be a lot easier on a lift, but we're gonna use a jack. That is gonna be our lift. So we'll be back with you guys shortly. The wildebeest is down here. Ooh, there you are. So you took all your toys out of there. There's one. What? Oh, do your circles. Yup. There you go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Go get that toy. Go get that one. Get that one. Get that one. Okay. Bye. I'm gonna be pissed if it doesn't start. Don't let me down. Don't do your dumb click bullshit. I don't want to hear it. Don't do it. I'm telling you. You dumb. I've officially had enough of your crap. Well, while the truck is over there being a little prick, we're gonna get these out and get them unwrapped and inspect them, I guess, before we do anything. Because the last thing I want to do is take all those off that I just stepped in dog shit. The last thing I want to do is pull all those off, and then there's something wrong with these. So we're gonna do that. And I would park right where the dog shit is. So we're gonna see how well. Yikes. Put you guys down. They are monsters. Well, that's the one with our hardware. Let's get these cut open. I'm probably so excited right now. Probably more excited than anybody at this current point in time. Come on. Yeah, there you go. I'm really liking the tread pattern of these. Like I said before, we went with another 33. And don't really know the best way to get all these out. And there you go. Quick and easy. They are all immaculate. They look amazing. One thing I seen. These little nice valve stem caps. Freaking bastard shorted me one. All the rest of them have them on. I'm hoping they're in one of those bags, but highly doubt it. So we're either gonna try and find a chrome one like that, or we're gonna replace them with all piece of junk black ones. One thing I did notice, if you look on these tires at the indicators down here, you see that little block? Look at all the tread you have on that. That is a lot of tread. That's a lot of usable tread. However, on the Federal Courageous that I have on the truck currently, you don't have that. You might be thinking, oh, those tires are really worn. Nowhere near. These tires might have like 6,000 miles on them, something like that. And look where the block is. Pretty sure that's the indicator block right there. And that sucks. Like, what? That you have all that tread remaining. I don't know. I don't get it, but kind of annoying. So we're gonna see if the truck will start now. Really hoping it will. I'm hoping it doesn't do his dumb click crap. but we're about to find out. That's right. That's what we like to hear. And yeah, so we're probably gonna let that run while we do this, just because it hasn't been drove. And I don't know, I gotta figure out what's killing the battery. I don't know if it's just because it hasn't been drove or if there's actually something draining it while it's off. I thought maybe the tuner, but I'm not sure. I haven't really been able to test it just because I haven't been able to drive it. So either way, we're gonna get these bad boys on there, and they really look 10 times better in person. It is crazy how these things look. So we're gonna get the truck pulled over here and, well, probably over there, jack it up one at a time, and we're gonna get these bad boys swapped. So there you can get a good look at what it looks like. And now we'll get a before shot. The dog's not included with the wheels, unfortunately. But there's your before. They're obviously dirty because it rains on this and then splashes all over it. So there you go. You can get a much better look at these, and I don't know if it's just because it's downhill or what, but the size difference, these ones look taller. I don't really know why. Could be fooling me, hard to say, but I really dig that look. Absolutely love it. It looks so clean. Now, we got 3 more to go, but if only we had bumpers on there. This truck's gonna look amazing. Absolutely amazing. Man, that looks so good. Well, let's get that one changed. And this one. And finally, this one. Just like that, folks, we have all 4 of these TIS 544 BM wheels installed. And I must say, this looks fire compared to the last setup. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below, but I am absolutely loving the look of this. And like I said, it's gonna be very hard to tell, obviously, without no bumpers and all that on. So hopefully this coming week, we're gonna get a phone call that our bumpers are gonna be done. I also believe I have to add some air to that tire, but I am really digging the look of that. That just looks so good compared to the 20s. And like the aspect ratio compared to wheel and tire just looks so good. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is like I said, it's a TIS, I believe a 544 black milled 22 by 12 -44 offset with a 33-inch tire. So we're rocking 12 wides again. I thought about going to a 10-inch or a 10 wide, but we can't do that. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos or notifications. The Cummins build is coming along. However, we got to get these bumpers back. We got to get them back from paint, and yeah, so I don't know if I went into detail with that, but they're no longer at powder coat. They're at a body shop. I think I did say that. So blah, blah, blah. Waiting to get them back, and then we can get all this other stuff done. Finally drive it back on the road again. So if you guys missed the video where I did the cab lights, be sure to check that out as well. This truck hasn't even been on the road since I installed those. So we're waiting very, not really patiently, but anxiously. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, be sure to subscribe, share the video. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at iMoto23. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.